Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. It looks calm and peaceful. Why do you like this color? Because it reminds me of the sky and the sea. It makes me feel relaxed. Do you wear clothes of your favorite color? Yes, most of my clothes are blue. I think it suits me. What color do you like for your room? I like light blue or white for my room. They make the room look bright. Do you like dark colors or light colors? I like light colors. They give a fresh and happy feeling. What colors do you dislike? I don't like very bright colors like neon yellow. They hurt my eyes. Do colors affect your mood? Yes, they do. Warm colors make me energetic and cool colors calm me. What color do you like for cars? I like black cars. They look elegant and classy. What color do you like for festivals? I like red and gold for festivals. They look cheerful and festive. Do you think colors show personality? Yes, I think so. The colors we choose tell a lot about our mood and style. Great job, everyone! You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.